Hey everyone, have you ever thought about the future of transportation? Well, let me introduce you to Helixx electric cars. Imagine being able to rent an electric car for as little as 0.25 cents per hour or $6 per day. Yes, you heard that right. Helixx Technologies is revolutionizing the way we think about electric vehicles with their subscription service, now available in Southeast Asia. With Helixx, you can enjoy the perks of owning an electric car without the hefty price tag. For just 0.25 cents per hour, you get a fully equipped electric car or van, complete with insurance coverage, maintenance, and nothing else to worry about except charging up. Worried about accidents? Don't be. Helixx offers instant replacements, perfect for those using electric vehicles for commercial purposes. No more downtime waiting for repairs. Just swap out the vehicle and keep moving. But that's not all. Helixx vehicles are designed with flexibility in mind. Need more range? Simply swap out the batteries. With the ability to accommodate up to 6 lithium iron phosphate batteries, you can extend your range up to 200 kilometers, hassle-free. This innovative approach to transportation is shaking up the auto industry as we know it. Helixx's goal is simple: to provide affordable transportation options for everyone, regardless of their financial situation. So, say goodbye to traditional car ownership and hello to the future with Helixx electric cars. Join the revolution today.